we're going to take as long as it takes to get the food out, okay? Let me tell you how this works, all right?
Yes, sir.
So we're here with Global Empowerment Mission.
Yes, sir.
We're coming at, we want to come help. We're so sorry what's happened, but we need it to be orderly, okay?
Yeah.
So we know where you guys are. We know that you need help.
Yeah.
All right? If it gets out of chaotic, we just have to leave, and then we won't come back. Understand? If it goes nice and peaceful, we then know this is a safe place to come back and help.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So let's be the example that you mighty, amazing Jamaicans can be for the rest of your powerful country for me, okay? Yes, sir.